Hello, I'm Nicole Willett. I'm the Director of Education for the Mars Society. The Mars Society is happy to announce the fifth annual International Mission to Mars Design Engineering Competition. This is a competition that runs through the summer from June 8th to July 10th, 2026. It is open to students 13 to 19 years old. It's a 5-week competition that challenges participants to think like real aerospace engineers and mission planners. Students will work in teams to design a comprehensive human mission to Mars, tackling everything from surface habitats and transportation systems to science objectives, crew logistics, and long-duration mission planning. The program mirrors the kinds of questions space agencies and private companies are actively working to solve today. Throughout the competition, students will take part in live lectures, workshops, and discussions led by experts in space science, engineering, and human exploration. The entire program is conducted online, allowing students to participate from anywhere in the world while collaborating with peers who share a passion for STEM and space exploration. The registration links and information will be below. Please join us for this amazing competition.